You've seen it, haven't you? That moment when she walks in, smiles, and suddenly, your entire world slows down. You tell yourself, relax, she's just being nice, but deep down, something in her tone, in her eyes, in the way she said your name felt different. And yet, you hesitate, because somewhere in your past, you've misread signals before. You thought she was into you, but she was just being friendly. You thought you mattered, but you were just convenient. And after enough rejection, enough confusion, you built armor. Now, when a woman looks at you a little too long, or greets you with that softness, you freeze. You tell yourself, don't assume, don't hope, don't fall. But here's the truth, brother. Women have their own language of attraction. And most men, good, kind, emotionally honest men, miss it completely. Not because they're blind, but because they've been taught to hide their desire, to fear misreading, to silence their instinct. So tonight, let's change that. Let's decode the way women say hello, not with words, but with energy, emotion, and intent. Because when you understand how women greet men they're drawn to, you stop chasing confusion and start recognizing connection. Imagine this. You're at a cafe. She walks in confident, graceful, radiating calm. She spots you, and for a split second, her eyes widen. It's subtle but real. She tucks her hair behind her ear, smiles a little longer than necessary, and says, "Hey, I didn't expect to see you here." Or maybe it's a coworker, always polite, always distant, until one day, she greets you differently. Softer tone, warmer eyes, a tiny pause before she looks away. You tell yourself you're imagining it, but your gut says something else. You replay it later that night, that small moment, that small spark, and wonder, was that something? Or am I just desperate to believe it was? Every man has been there. That space between maybe she likes me and don't be a fool. But attraction isn't always loud. It's often whispered in body language, tone, and energy. Because here's the thing, when a woman is drawn to you, her greeting isn't just casual. It's emotional choreography. Every movement, every glance, every tone carries meaning. It's not manipulation, it's instinct. When a woman likes you, her voice unconsciously softens when she greets you. It's not performance, it's biology. Psychologists call this vocal modulation. When attraction is present, the pitch lowers slightly, tone smoothens, and rhythm slows, creating warmth and connection. You'll notice it when she says, "Hey, how are you?" That pause, that softness, it's not politeness. It's attention. She's emotionally present with you. Don't overanalyze it. Match her tone. Meet softness with calm confidence. That's how connection begins, through emotional resonance, not interrogation. Her eyes tell stories words never can. When she's drawn to you, her eyes light up literally. Pupils dilate due to dopamine and adrenaline spikes triggered by attraction. It's not just the look at you, it's the look after. That half-second linger, the delayed glance away. It's her heart saying, "I'm curious." If you sense that spark, hold her gaze for just a moment longer. Confidence isn't in chasing, it's in staying still when the world goes quiet. Then there are the nervous adjustments. She fixes her hair, touches her neck, adjusts her clothes. These micro movements are what psychologists call preening behaviors. They're not vanity, they're subconscious attempts to look desirable to someone specific. It's her body aligning with her interests before her mind even realizes it. You don't have to react, just observe. If she's adjusting herself right after greeting you, there's emotional electricity in the air. Notice too how long she lingers on that one word. Hey, it's stretched out, musical, infused with energy. That's emotional signaling, a greeting that carries invitation. She's not rushing through words, she's creating a moment. Smile, ground yourself, say her name back slowly. That simple act builds emotional intimacy faster than 100 compliments. There's a difference between a polite smile and a real one. The real one, called a Duchenne smile, lights up the entire face. Eyes squint, cheeks lift, and warmth radiates. When she greets you and that real smile appears instantly, it's not habit, it's heart. Don't just admire it, appreciate it. Say something human. A simple "you look genuinely happy today," it's contagious. That acknowledgement deepens the connection from surface to soul. Sometimes attraction hides in humor. She might greet you with, "Oh, look who finally decided to show up," or "You always wear black, huh?" That's testing through playfulness, a safe way to express interest while gauging your response. If you get defensive, she'll retreat. If you laugh and mirror the play, her comfort and attraction doubles. Teasing isn't distance. It's an invitation to emotional dance. When she's drawn to you, she finds reasons to get closer. Maybe she stands just a little nearer when greeting you. Maybe her shoulder brushes yours. Maybe she leans in to talk. It's what psychology calls proxemics, the science of personal space. If she comfortably breaks the usual distance rule, it's a sign of emotional trust and attraction. But respect her space. Don't step and let her step closer again. Attraction is magnetic when you don't force the pull. When a woman likes you, she'll find excuses to greet you. Maybe she accidentally runs into you more than coincidence should allow. Maybe she says, "Oh, I didn't know you'd be here." But you both know she probably did. That's emotional initiative. She's trying to open doors without appearing obvious. Recognize the effort. Greet her with warmth that tells her she's safe expressing interest. That's how trust builds before love ever begins. When she says your name and you feel it, pay attention. Because women often attach emotion to tone. If she says your name softly, slowly, almost like she's tasting it, that's not friendship. That's fascination. Names carry emotional intimacy. So when she says yours differently, it's her way of saying, you stand out. One of the most powerful signs is when she greets you twice. She says, hey, talks a little, then later adds, by the way, it's good to see you. That's not repetition, it's reinforcement. Her heart wanted the moment to last longer. Her words are trying to anchor the feeling. It's her unspoken way of saying, I didn't just notice you, I felt you. Now let's talk truth. You've missed signs before, not because you were blind, but because you were hurt. You've told yourself not to hope, not to read into things, not to want too much. But brother, there's nothing weak about wanting connection. There's nothing foolish about believing in chemistry. Understanding attraction isn't about manipulation, it's about awareness. It's about standing tall in your own masculine calm, knowing when energy shifts and emotions stir. Because the more you understand women, the more you understand yourself. You stop begging for validation. You stop chasing attention. You stop doubting your worth. And you start living as a man who notices, who feels, who chooses. You stop asking, does she like me? And start asking, does this connection feel mutual, healthy, and true? That's power. That's emotional intelligence. That's masculine presence. So the next time a woman greets you, remember the emotional cues: her softened voice, the spark in her eyes, the nervous adjustments, the lingering hello, the genuine smile, the playful tease, the shift in proximity, the surprise encounter, the emotion behind your name, or the double greeting that says once wasn't enough. Each one tells a story if you're paying attention. Listen, you've spent too long questioning your worth based on how people treat you. But attraction, real connection, is energy, not performance. You don't have to chase it. You just have to recognize it. And when a woman greets you with that warmth, that softness, that spark, don't shrink. Don't look away. Don't apologize for being seen. Because maybe, just maybe, she wasn't just saying hello. She was saying, I see you. If this message helped you understand women on a deeper level, if it opened your eyes to the quiet language of attraction, then don't forget to like this video, share it with a brother who needs to hear it, and subscribe for more truth, psychology, and emotional power. Because growth isn't about games, it's about awareness. And awareness, my friend, is where real confidence begins.